Hi everybody, this is Mr. Bod.
Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So we are at my Walmart because I just wanted to do a little video to let some people know that maybe don't know yet. I heard it through the grapevine on Facebook. I actually saw pictures that Walmart is getting a new mandala ombre. Now I know a few people from different yarn companies, and I actually did get a hold of Lion Brand, the marketing manager there, and he said that mandala, when it comes out with new colors or varieties, it's always exclusive to Walmart first, so you won't find it anywhere else except for Walmart first. Eventually they start putting it in other stores, but every time they come out with something new, it's always at Walmart first. So Walmart, the mandala ombre is new, and you will only find it at your local Walmart and maybe walmart.com. I'm not sure about that. So I'm gonna see if my Walmart has it. My Walmart's usually pretty good at keeping up with the new yarns, but I'm not gonna hold my breath. And they also have a new comfy cotton. They got new colors of that and solids, but you'll be able to find those on lionbrand.com's website. But the new mandala, you'll only be able to find at your Walmart. I don't know if all Walmarts carry it, but I know that you can only find it there. So I'm gonna turn my camera around just a second. Okay, here I am at my Walmart. Now, usually my Walmart tile is a little tore up, it looks a little empty. But usually when they have a new yarn, it's on the end cap over here. This is where they keep the new yarns that they get out. Here's some comfy cotton. Now they have new colors of this, but none of those are new. They have it! Look at that. Mandala
Right here, huh?
ombre. Oh, look at that. So this is the new mandala, which is exclusively at Walmart at this time. Eventually though, once time goes on, it will move to other stores, but right now you'll only be able to find it at Walmart. And like I said, they got new colors of this comfy cotton, and I love comfy cotton. That would make a pretty baby blanket. Look at that one. Sugar cane is the color. That is pretty. Oh, there's another new color. Hand me that. Will you help me get this one, Eric? Here, hold that.
Which one?
That mandala. Do they have new mandala colors? Oh, that's pretty too. Lovey-dovey. Is this one's new too? Yeah. Ooh, I gotta get some of these. Blueberry muffin. Mai Tai, that's a new one too. I thought they had some solids. Do you see any solids here?
I don't see any solids.
I don't, but I know that if you go to lionbrand.com for the comfy cotton, they do have a solid dark blue, a solid brown, and a solid red, along with that solid creamy white that they used to carry. But I'm going to get some of these. Is this a new color too? Or is this that one that we already have? Nope, Cool Night. That's a new one too. Awesome. Super exciting. And now let's take a look at this mandala ombre if you guys haven't seen it, because this is the first time seeing it. All right, it's very soft, and it looks like it is a 4-weight. Normally mandala is a 3. It is a 4-weight mandala. That's awesome, because all other mandalas are 3 weights, besides the really thick 6 jumbo, which I didn't really care for. This one's soft. Yeah, it's soft, like plushy soft kind of. I like it. It's got, see that, like stone washed looking. So let's see what colors we got. I don't even know how many are available, but I have, this one's called Cool. And this one is called Pure. Will you hold this one, babe?
Sure.
You
You want this one?
I'm just checking out the colors, showing everybody the colors. This one's really pretty. Harmony. I like that one. Mantra. Balance. That's pretty too. Here, hold that one for me. You got a lot of different colors, I think. Let's see, we've already seen that one. Oh, yeah, that's it, I guess. This one too. Nope, that's it then, right? How many did I say?
1, 2, 3. One more.
No. Cool, no, I already said that one. So there ain't no browns. Well, what's going on with
5 or
that?
6 new colors.
Yeah,
Pure balance.
that's cool. Let's match out some centers. Buy some of them. What do you say?
I say okay.
How many yards are in these though? Let's check out the yardage.
344 yards.
344 yards. Is it 100% acrylic, machine wash, and dryable? I like them. Wait, let's match centers.
Oh, let's set them right here.
Oh.
The
Mr.
way
Bod.
The way they're stacked, it might be
You
hard
know
to...
centers gotta be matched.
I know.
He does know. Look at Mr. Bod's hand. He got in poison ivy and it's really bad.
Yeah, I dug a hole and it got me.
He was
There
fixing the
vines.
wiring in our house. Something was wrong and he had to dig up my dad's an electrician. Him and my dad were out there digging up an underground line freight or something. And
there was a big poison ivy root in
my
there.
dad dug through the root and it was...
Here, I'll show you. It's gross.
No, they don't want to see that nasty.
It's all
No,
blistery.
they don't want to see
it's
that.
calamine lotion covered, so...
Anyways, my
It's the
dad...
worst I've ever had.
Yeah, my dad didn't get it, but poor Mr. Bod.
Made my hands swell up.
All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, I definitely want to get some of every color.
What about these here?
Oh, and it's $4.97. That's the same
not-
price as all
It's
mandalas.
big in the middle, but it matches.
Yeah, those are good. I'm gonna try to get 3 of each.
3 of each?
Yeah. Here's some more, but I don't want to mess them up too much. I wonder, are some of these mandala colors new up here?
I'm not sure. I'm not an expert.
Oh
Ask
my.
yourself that question.
Peacock? Now, is that new? Because I do not have that at home. What's this one?
Cupid. I think you have
Cupid?
it.
I don't
think
have it. Or
Really?
that one.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Whoa. Liger?
I don't have that one either. So they got new colors of mandala. What's that blue one? That looks like maybe it could be mermaid.
Isn't that what Napoleon Dynamite drew on his
What?
ligers? Lions and tiger mix.
Spirit.
you
Okay,
have
that's
that one.
not new, yeah.
What about this sparkly one? Lyra, I think that's...
You know what? I don't know if those are new. I know I don't have them. Or that one right there.
Nova.
That sparkly one. I'm probably going to go ahead and get them since I don't have them. That's the mermaid right there. So those are possibly new. You guys, let me know in the comments if those mandalas are not new, if you already have them. But for me, I've never seen them at my Walmart, and I don't have them in my collection. And I thought I had all the mandala colors.
I think we're going to have better luck finding the pink centers.
But I could be wrong. All right. I'm wrong most of the time, actually. I am.
That's not true.
They have some clearance yarn here. They have a whole bunch of mandala on clearance, but you know what? They only have it for $3.50, and I don't want to pay $3.50 for it.
I got you
Okay.
3 with pink centers.
Okay.
Because
I'm going to find some of these that match
there
then.
weren't any
You
more
guys can turn
pink
me
centers.
off. Right now, I'm just going to match centers and buy me some yarns. Or buy me some of these.
Yeah, it could be fun.
It could be fun. You never know. There's 2. It's kind of hard to find matching centers, isn't it? Those are pretty close. I'll get these 3. I'm a little picky, but I'm not extraordinarily picky. Am I? Would that be the right word? Why'd you go?
Indecisive.
Indecisive. Oh, I want
Here's
these blue
green
ones too.
center,
Huh?
Green center.
You're messing up their display, Mr. Rod.
Actually, they have it stacked all funny.
They do have it stacked. It's their fault, huh? No.
Then why would they put it in?
Because normally I don't think people sit around and try to match centers like me. I mean, some people do, but
Unless they watch and
yeah.
do what you do.
So yeah, I guess I am a pain in Walmart's butt.
Exactly. Sometimes one wants a pain in
A lot of times.
Okay, I got 3 of the... I think they call them the balance ones. Yep, 3 balance with green centers.
I'm just staring at these blues, trying to get some. There's only 4 of them here. None of them
What about
match
the
up.
mantra? Do you have any of those?
This one on the end?
Is this the mantra?
No, you messed. Man, you're doing better than me, Mr. Rod. Maybe you should be doing this.
I'm trained with.
You've been trained well. You hear that? Now that's what I like to hear. No, I just think that I trained you with yarn. You know what's up. I'm proud of that. Proud to say that you know all about the yarn. Not as
I know
much.
enough.
Not quite as much as
I know
me.
enough to help
But
out.
you know what? Yeah, you do. You're pretty good at it. You guys are probably sitting there going, "Those match. Just grab them, Crystal." Here, I'm gonna get these ones right here.
What's this one? Okay, yeah. Does it matter if it's just a little bit in the center?
Yes, it matters. No, I'm just joking. No, it's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna get some of these new. I'm gonna get how many yards are these things usually? I forgot. 392.
2 of each. Or just
I'm trying to think. 369. I better
I
do.
like that color.
I know that's pretty. I
cool.
better do 3 of each. They give me what? Almost 1,200 yards. Be enough to make a shawl or poncho. Nice light, lacy one. This is the Mai Tai. Is that right?
Yeah.
Looks different than these ones, don't it?
No.
Or is it the same?
I don't know. It has a little more of this purpley pink in it.
Yeah. Let's not get that one.
Okay.
Let's get these 3.
Alrighty.
You guys are probably laughing, going, "Oh my God, she's got problems." You agree, won't you, Mr. Bot? I know you will.
No.
You will too. Don't lie. It's okay. I agree too.
I think I said in the other video, if this is your main problem, then you're doing pretty good.
Yeah, I have to agree with you on that. These are pretty, aren't they? There you go. Good thing you don't have to match centers on these, though, huh? This one is pretty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fix their display. Don't worry, everybody. I promise I'll put it back. I won't leave it in shambles.
The Yarnado came through here.
I gotta get some matching centers on the mandalas up there that I don't have. Well, I fixed this. No.
How much are these? Oh, they're $4.97.
Bagoday don't add it up. No, they add it for me at the register.
Oh, I see. That's their job.
Okay, I need. Mandalas got almost 400 yards. The lightweight 3.
$5.90.
Okay, it's a lightweight 3. Look at that. There's matching centers right there.
Ooh. This one.
What about that other one that's right in front? Oh no,
This
Mo.
one back here.
Oh, that's pink.
Oh, that's white.
You know, I only need 2 of each of those.
Okay.
I think that'll be enough. And 2 of those red ones.
1,200 yards. Surely you can
Yeah,
make something.
it is a lightweight, but I'll be able to make something with it.
2 of the red ones?
Yeah. Yeah, those red ones. Because I don't have those. Remember, if I already mentioned this 100 times, I apologize. If you've seen these colors before, let me know. Because I have never seen them. What was it now?
What am I doing with this one?
You're going crazy, Mr. Bond.
Confused.
This one is the Liger.
There we go.
Oh, you got some matchings. 2 of those would be fine. What color is that one
Does
again?
that match? That's going back to that red in the
That's
center.
good enough. What color is that one?
This is Cupid.
Cupid. And then I didn't have this one either, which we said was Peacock.
Thank you.
See if we can find a couple matchings on that.
Here, now this one will fit.
Well, I haven't found my
Okay.
matching.
Not
What's
bad.
wrong with you? Huh?
I'm just getting carried away.
You're getting excited and giddy like me. Look at you digging like a pro.
I'm just helping.
And you're such a good help.
Thanks.
That's one. Does it match?
Between me and the kids, you don't have to do much, do you?
I guess not. You say
We're
so.
all good helpers.
Here, these 2 match up.
Do they?
These 2.
You sure?
I'm positive. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me, sir. I need to bump into you. Okay, I don't need any faux fur. I don't need any of that. That mandala sparkle.
I'm not seeing a match here, babe.
What are you talking about?
Blue and green?
Let me see.
Here's a green.
I mean, I'm not doing good.
Looks like this blue center.
Yeah, it's close
Green
enough.
center.
Wait, what's this one end with?
It ends in pink, and this one ends in blue.
Well, is there one matching better? Or is that,
I don't think so.
well, then you will just say that one's it.
No.
Yeah, I don't know. I think these are some new
Good thing you
mandala.
came today. That lady told us it was going to be 2 weeks.
I know, before you got them.
here.
This one's really pretty. This mandala sparkle. Nova. Give me 2 of these with matching centers.
All right.
And then I think I'll wait on the other ones because I'm probably... done spent my yarn budget, and I cleaned out a lot of their mandala ombre there. So, you get me two that matched?
Yep.
Thanks, babe. What a pro. You're awesome. All right. So, yeah, guys, hit up your Walmart. Like I said, they have a lot of my regular mandala on clearance, but it's only $3.50 here. I could probably get it for half that if I ask, but I don't. It takes forever. If I say, hey, I'll take all this yarn, you give it to me half of the clearance price. My Walmart always says yes. But it takes forever, don't it, to get someone back there.
Yeah,
and
it
then,
depends when they put it out. So if they put it out yesterday, they won't do that.
Oh, I can sweet talk them.
Maybe not half off, but it's possible.
They
Depends who you
always
get.
give me half off.
It depends who you get.
Depends on who you get.
Oh, I see.
You're
better looking than me.
You're not quite as charming. I don't know about that. But, all right, so yeah, this was just a little video. It probably turned out to be way too long, but check your local Walmart. Remember, the mandala ombres, like I said, I showed you all the colors. It's really soft. It is a 4-weight, and you can tell it's got that stonewash look to it. And 344 yards. Only going to be available at Walmart for right now, since it's brand new. Today's April 9th, so I don't know, like in a few months you'd probably be able to find it other places, but for now, just at Walmart. So we got to go get Eli something for his birthday. Today's Eli's 6th birthday. We're going to go get him a cake. And what do you want? An iPad? That's not happening, but we'll find him something. Thanks.
He wants a game.
Okay.
Jurassic World.
All right. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.